Okay, hiccups. Triple warmer 17, which is right behind the earlobe. We know to strike comes back, tip of the nose. Put 2 fingers either side and we circle this way, down on triple warmer 17. So we're just basically going to massage triple warmer 17 by circling our hands. Yeah, I'm just doing this. So on triple warmer 17 both sides. It stops the hiccups pretty quick. I've used this a few times with people with hiccups and it stops pretty quick.